guys, it's Sejal. So winters are here and Delhi ki sardi has already started killing me. For years, I could not figure out how to wear winter clothes properly. बहुत सारे sweaters पहन लेती थी, scarves पहन लेती थी, and in the end, I would look like a phula हुआ stuffed toy. Until I went to US and Japan recently and learned a few good tricks. So here are a few ways to stay warm and still look good during this sardi. So let's get started. If you guys enjoy, please make sure you subscribe and like and comment, and let's begin. The first thing is layering, and for that you need good quality tights जो transparent ना हो and a skin tight skivvy like this in any solid color. Now the point is these are tight and they'll hug your figure so that you're not drowning in all the layers in the sweaters that you wear. Outfit number 1. So to start off the layering, so you can see मैंने अंदर वो skivvy और tights पहन रखी हैं, and उसके ऊपर I'm just wearing an oversized sweatshirt. And to keep this even warmer, I've thrown on a really nice big jacket over it, which is the same length as the sweatshirt. So even if it's oversized ऊपर से, you can still see the shape of my body with the skinny tights. And because the sweatshirt was shorter, मैंने नीचे shorts भी पहन रखी हैं, and to keep it even warmer, I'm wearing these knee-high boots. And to accessorize, my favorite gold hoops and a necklace. I've seen so many people जो winters में सिर्फ black या फिर grey और बहुत dull colors पहनते हैं, but hey, you can wear bright colors in the winter and you can also use your summer clothes in the winter. So like here I'm wearing this really bright and nice pink summer skirt, and I've worn it with the same black turtleneck, same black tights. Only thing, I've added this big silver buckle belt and matched that with my silver earrings, and also since the skirt ends एकदम मेरे ankle के ऊपर, I added ankle boots to complete the look. I know a lot of you go to office. Okay, I've got you covered. This was actually pretty tricky for me. To start off again, I chose another summer piece that I had, these palazzo pants. इनके ऊपर जो print है, that gives a very formal vibe. So again, to make it wintry, I used the same turtleneck, the same tights. I was confused about the shoes. I think heels look a little strange with tights, so I chose Oxfords, which look great. And to give it even more warmth, I've just thrown this black coat that I had. Again, it's a full long coat, so it goes very well with the length of the palazzos. And I just added some nice dainty gold jewelry to complete the look. This is one of my favorite outfits. Why? Because I love the combination of an oversized sweater with a short skirt. Now here, if you see, same layers मैंने पहनी हुई है. I don't think I need to say it anymore. Skivvy, the tights. I think a leather finish skirt, hey, real leather नहीं है ये, ठीक है, a leather finish, full leather skirt looks great with black tights. And उसके ऊपर ये जो मैंने oversized sweater पहन रखा है, उस पर there's a little bit of red, so I matched it with my favorite accessory ever, a red beret. And again, same dainty jewelry. I'm a big fan of that. This makes me look like a very fancy French person, but in reality I'm so not. I know पूरे देश में इतनी ठंड नहीं पड़ती है, so this outfit is for my viewers from the south. So I think you guys can also layer a little bit in the winter. अच्छा लगता है. So here I started off with this yellow peplum top that I had. Now again, all of these things are what I wear in the summer as well. And I put a printed shirt inside because the top is thin. I thought print inside would look nice. Also, a combination like this is so simple to do, but it looks like you put in so much effort in your outfit. And again, because the top is peplum, I paired it with skinny jeans and my ankle boots, and I wore the same gold dainty jewelry again. I'm a big fan of just repeating things over and over again, and I think this is something that's so simple and goes with everything. This is just a very simple, sort of semi-formal type of look. So, इसकी layering में I've started with the grey skivvy this time. उसके ऊपर I'm wearing a simple t-shirt, which is a graphic t-shirt, and with a blazer on top. So I'm pretty warm, and to add some funk in the accessories, I'm wearing a black fanny pack, and again the same jeans, the same boots, and also the same accessories. These gold accessories, I love them. हर चीज़ के साथ match करती हैं. I think उसका combination with this blazer makes this look very simple but very, very sharp. Dressing for a party in the winter can be quite tricky because what you wear. If you wear a dress, ठंड लगेगी. If you wear a top, ठंड लगेगी. But here, I'm wearing a sweater. How awesome is that? Now, the reason why this outfit works is firstly because of the sweater. It's a plain red sweater, but because of those small embellishments, ये काफ़ी dressy और fancy लगता है. And with that, I'm wearing flare pants. Now, they're fitted on the waist and on the hips, but because they have this nice flare on the bottom part, they look very dressy. Uske saath I just added slightly bigger gold hoops and this very fancy embellished bag to complete the look. The last outfit again is for my viewers from the south. I think a maxi dress is a great option for you guys because it's slightly longer, it'll keep you a little bit more covered, and uske upar just layer a denim jacket. These two again are from my summer wardrobe, but they look really good paired together for the winter. And the reason I've chosen a shorter jacket is because if you wear a longer one, it'll completely hide your waist. So this one defines your waist. And uske saath, to make this look a little bit more funky, I added a bandana on my hair, and to keep myself comfortable, I'm wearing Vans. Now this is how you can make this look appropriate for the North Valley winters. I added a sweater, added a belt to cinch my waist, added a black bag to match the belt, and boots. That's it. Actually 95% of them are actually from my clothing line, Sejal X SPL, which I'm very proud of, and I love all the clothes. So make sure you click the link in the description box below to check it out, and you can buy each and every item that I showed in this video from that link. And if you guys do end up shopping, do tag me on Instagram with the hashtag SejalXSPL so that I can see it and repost it on my story. So yeah, happy shopping. Thank you for the support on the line. I'm so happy, and yeah.